Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a moving watermark to your video in CapCut. This is super useful because it helps protect your content from being stolen or re-uploaded without your permission. And it also helps build your brand by keeping your logo or name visible on the screen. It's completely free and really easy to do. Okay, let's get started. I will walk you through the steps inside CapCut so you can add a clean, professional moving watermark in just a few minutes. First, let's open CapCut. On the top, click Create Project. I'm going to import my video. And add the video to the timeline. There are two types of watermarks, logo and text. A logo watermark should be a PNG file with a transparent background, while a text watermark is simply your name or brand displayed on the screen. I will show you both. First, I'm going to try to add a moving logo watermark to my video. I'm going to import my logo, add to the timeline. I want the logo to cover the entire video clip. And I also want to reduce the size of the logo. I'm also going to reduce the opacity of the logo because I don't want the logo to look too bright or distracting. Here on the right, under the basic, scroll down, find blend, and click blend to show more options. You can reduce the opacity of the logo here. I will set the opacity to 20%. Then make sure to move the cursor to the beginning of the video clip and go to the position. You can see the X and Y. That's the position of the logo. On the right, click Add keyframe. Then move the cursor to the middle of the video clip and set the logo right here. You can see it automatically adds a keyframe. And move the cursor to the end of the video clip and set the logo here. It also automatically adds a keyframe. Okay, let's preview the video to see how it goes. We can see the logo moves when the video plays. You can make the logo move in any direction you want. Just move the cursor on the timeline and set the logo at wherever you want. And that's how you add a moving logo watermark to your video. Then I'm going to show you how to add a moving text watermark to your video. Here I'm going to delete the logo. And on the top left corner, click text. Add text. I want the text to cover the entire video clip. Here you can put your name or brand. I'm just going to put logo here. And you can change the font and the size. I'm going to make it bold. And also I'm going to change the opacity. Here find blend. I'm going to set the opacity at 20% too. And move the cursor to the beginning of the video. At position, click Add keyframe. Then move the cursor to the end of the video clip. And set the logo right here. it automatically adds a keyframe. Okay, let's see how it goes. You can see the logo moves from the top to the bottom when the video plays. And that's how you add a moving text watermark to your video. And that's it. That's all I have for you today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Your support really means a lot to me. It motivates me and helps me create more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.